Hello everyone, this is my submission of CS50 Web Programming with Python and JavaScript for Project 4. So to show you guys output of my project, firstly let me run the server. So this is the instance space of my project. Even though you are not logged in, you have stay right to see all posts, which is here. But if you are logged in, you will see more features. One of them is new post. You can click new post to post new post for your content. To do that, you just have to enter your content and click post. By clicking post, your content is added to all posts and you will see your content right here. Since you are the owner of post, you have right to edit your post. To do that, just have to click edit button. So if you click, you can change your content whatever you like. And after that, you just have to click save and it will save the update version of your content. Another thing is you can like other people's posts, which you will see in the all posts. And to do that, you just have to click like button, and by doing that, the like count will update. But if you want to unlike, just have to click unlike button and it will go back to 0. So in this case, I will like this post. Another thing is you can go to other people's account by clicking their username, and if I click Alex, you are direct to Alex page and you will see posts that were posted by user Alex. So as you can see, Alex posts this post. Another thing is you can follow the users that you would like. So to do that, you have to click follow button, and by clicking that, followers numbers will be updated immediately and you can unfollow them as you like. In this case, I will follow Alex, and if I go to network, another thing is you can just watch or see the posts that were posted by the person you follow. To do that, you just have to go to following page. Since I followed Alice before, I only see Alice post in the following page. But if I go back to index and if I follow Carol and go back to following, you will see Carol post is added to my following page. Another feature is I only in all posts or every page, only 10 posts will displayed in one page. In this case, in all posts are more than 10 posts. So if I scroll down, you will see next page because it will only show the 10 posts per one page. So if I click next, you will see another post. Yeah. If you want to go back to previous page, you just have to click previous. So this is the end of my presentation, and thank you so much for watching.